Hello! This video will show you how to apply for childcare subsidy with Peel Region. To start, go to peelregion.ca/childcare-subsidy. Let's walk through applying together. Select Apply for Childcare Subsidy. Then open the Apply section. Review each scenario under the Apply section to see which one applies to you, and follow those instructions. If the Create Account and Apply option applies to you, continue watching this video for more information. Select the Create Account and Apply button. You will now be taken to Peel Region's Children's Services account website. You'll need to create an account. To do this, select the Sign In button. Select Create an Account and enter your information. When finished, check your email, including your junk or spam folder, for a confirmation email from noresponse@missioninc.com. You'll need to click the link in that email to confirm your email address before you can sign in to your Children's Services account. After you've confirmed your email address, sign in using your email address and password. You can choose to enter information about your identity, languages that you speak, and household income. We collect this information to help us improve programs and better serve your family. If you choose not to fill out this information, it won't affect your childcare subsidy application. When you've added your information, select Save. Now that you've created your account, you can again select Childcare Subsidy Application to continue. Complete the subsidy application and select Submit. After you submit your application, select Upload Files to upload the required documents listed. You must upload these documents within 14 days to continue with the application process, so try to upload your documents as soon as possible. Once you've done this, you'll receive an email with next steps. If we don't receive the documents within 14 days, your application will be closed and you will need to reapply. For more information on early years and childcare or any of our services, visit peelregion.ca/children-parenting. Thank you for watching.